Hi everyone! Today we will discuss how to get free access to Chat GPT4. GPT-4 is a paid program. To use it, you must pay them $20. However, we do have a big feature that allows you to chat with them beautifully without having to pay them $20. So without wasting any more time, let's get started and see how you can use it. First, log into Microsoft. From there, you have a Copilot. Bing changed its name from Bing to Copilot, and we will now investigate how to use it and create photos by using Copilot, which is powered by Dalle E3. There are three options at the top: Compose, Chat, and Insights. Let's start by looking at Insights. As you can see, we now have Insights, and when we click inside, it tells us something incredible. How many people are actually using Microsoft Edge, as seen by the 83% favorable rating that indicates how many users enjoying it. Let's check the monthly traffic it receives from us to see how many people use it. They also tell us which pages are most frequently accessed. People that use it frequently in China, Japan, and the United Kingdom are informing us about your discovery, which is cool. We have another item for you to test out. Simply click on the Compose button to see what we have. You may just write anything you like about the advertising. I've opened a Compose action and in prompting you to write an email regarding marketing my shoe brand. Please provide me with all the information you need to know about marketing, and the tone should be formal. My desire is for it to produce this medium-length blog article has provided you with all the information relevant to our blog post. Let's try it out by clicking on Email. It has also produced a professional-looking email for us. Simply copy it and utilize it for work-related purposes. So it has already given us a sentence for as example in order to make our life simpler. It shows create an image of a futuristic type here and go. There are already some alternatives available, so when you click on Create, a drop-down menu with three possibilities will appear like Write and Teach Me. Once you've created an image choice, you'll see another drop-down menu with options for an image, sketch, and other option. Click on the other option if you wanted to see an artistic or painted view of the picture. Here, we have another drop-down menu that reads futuristic. If we click on it, we will get more alternatives. Minimalism, or you may specify the image's style. You can write modern, vintage, retro, or any other style by simply clicking on the text field. I'm writing down spaceship in this choice since I'm curious to see what a futuristic spacecraft would look like. Click Go to see how it will make us. It will take some time to load, but we'll see what it generates. As you can see, they used the Dalle E3 to make 4 photographs of futuristic spaceships. Let's click on one to observe how well it produced these 3 images. And now all you have to do is click the download button on the side to start downloading these pictures. You have 30 searches every day, which is an incredible amount of search results that you may go through in a single day. We have an additional option that appears at the top of the chat window. This is a conversational style, and we have 3 options here: more balanced, more precise, and more creative. The more creative choice will move towards giving you something rather imaginative, and it will surprise you with its inventiveness. Let's give writing a shot. I'm choosing to write from this drop-down menu. Once I've chosen to write, I'll put in the next text field and choose a poem that sounds more like it was written by a small child than in Old English. Finally, I'll type the theme of poem that is about she is missing her father. And now that we've finished it, we'll click Go to see what it comes up with. It has begun working on our prompt, and this is a whole poem about a father that seems pretty meaningful. What you can do is copy it from here and paste it in this way. You can create any kind of poem by giving it up right away. This will make life easier for you, so use it to the fullest. Let's try something different now. I'm going to choose Teach Me from the drop-down menu once more. It has already chosen quantum physics, but I'm not up for that. Instead, I'll choose space, since I find space science to be very interesting and can explain in simple terms. Since I'm a student and don't know anything about it, I clicked Go, and it started You in Waiting. This is where we have all the responses we receive regarding space science. It is amazing that it has been explained to me in such simple English that anyone can understand it by reading it here. We have some headings on astronomy for beginners, as well as a website from the Planetary Society that offers some advice on how to start stargazing. Space science is the study of everything beyond Earth, including source planets, moons, asteroid comets, and galaxies. Let's see where it takes us. Here are the website and links to other websites, as well as the planetary NASA Chukul NASA show. I'll see if I make it to NASA where it takes us. And it takes us to a beginner's guide to rockets. Wow, this is so cool. Here are the links to the website, and I click on them. We have a whole PDF about a beginner's guide to rockets. It's absolutely amazing that you can learn anything, and it makes our lives easier. Let's wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more video like this in future.